Hello everyone! Today, we'll be making stickers using Nano Paper Studio's transparent inkjet sticker paper. This sticker paper is crystal clear and compatible with most inkjet printers, making it perfect for creating transparent stickers for packaging, labels, journals, and more. Let's get started. Step 1. First, we'll arrange our sticker designs in Silhouette Studio and add the cutting lines. If you're not familiar with the process yet, I have a separate tutorial on my channel that shows you exactly how to set up everything, so be sure to check that out. Once your designs are ready, it's time to print. Step 2. Here are the recommended print settings for Canon printers, and here are the settings for Epson printers. These settings are optimized for Nano Paper Studio's transparent inkjet sticker paper to help you achieve the best print quality. Once everything is set, click Print. Step 3. After printing, your stickers are ready to cut. If you'd like your stickers to be more durable and water resistant, you can apply a cold laminate before cutting. This step is completely optional, but highly recommended, if your stickers will be used on water bottles, tumblers, or other items that may be exposed to moisture. Step 4. Now we're ready to cut the stickers. First, I'll show you how to cut them using a Silhouette cutting machine. Place the printed sticker onto the cutting mat and load it into the machine. These are my recommended cut settings for Nano Paper Studio's transparent inkjet sticker paper. Today, we'll be making a die-cut sticker. Once everything is set, click Send and let the machine do the work. If you don't have a cutting machine yet, don't worry. You can still make beautiful stickers using a pair of scissors. Simply cut carefully around the outline of your design. This is a great option if you're just starting your sticker making journey or only need to make few stickers at a time. After cutting, carefully remove the stickers from the cutting mat. Here's a closer look at the finished transparent stickers. One of my favorite things about this sticker paper is how crystal clear it is, making your designs blend beautifully onto different surfaces for a clean and professional look. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.